In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide and reveal hidden text on Google Slides. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is make sure you're logged into your Google account. This is a simple but crucial step because it ensures you can save your work seamlessly and access all the creative tools Google Slides has to offer. Once that's settled, navigate over to Google Slides. Here you have the flexibility of either starting with a clean slate by selecting a blank slide or speeding up the process by choosing a ready-made template that aligns with your presentation's theme. Both routes have their own benefits, so pick whichever aligns best with your needs today. Now that you've got your slide up, think about the text you want to work with. You can go ahead and type a word or phrase directly onto the slide, or if you're updating an existing presentation, identify the text you wish to modify. This brings us to the exciting part, adding shapes. Head to the top menu of your screen and find the Insert option. Give that a click. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Shape. You'll be pleasantly surprised by the variety offered. Circles, rectangles, and even more decorative choices are at your fingertips. Choose a shape that resonates with your design intentions and drag it over the text. As you do this, you'll notice something interesting. The text underneath seems to vanish. But no worries, this is part of the plan, and there's an easy fix for it. Simply click on the shape you've placed, then make your way to the top of the screen again and look for the Arrange option. Click on Arrange and hover over Order. You'll see a list of options. Go ahead and select Send to Back, and voila! Your text makes a triumphant return, nicely framed or highlighted by the shape you chose. This technique is great for making specific text portions stand out, or for giving your text a background that really makes it pop. If at any time you feel the need to adjust the shape without the distraction of the text, you can reverse the process easily. Just revisit the Arrange menu, click on Order, and select Bring Forward. This will bring your shape to the forefront, making your text disappear again, giving you a blank canvas to tweak with. Mastering this layering technique can significantly elevate the visual appeal of your presentations, directing attention exactly where you want it and ensuring your slides are both neat and captivating. Whether you're looking to highlight key points or provide a backdrop to emphasize important text, this is a versatile and handy skill to possess. And there you have it. Now you're well equipped to overlay text and shapes in Google Slides like a seasoned pro. Feel free to experiment with different shapes, colors, and text placements to craft unique slides guaranteed to captivate your audience. Happy presenting, and I hope this guide proves beneficial in your next project.